Hey and welcome back. In this video tutorial, very exciting tutorial we're gonna take this material that we created last tutorial and we're gonna create a few variation colors for the same material just to have a different. So let's say you need a veneer or whatever it is, you want a few colors. I'm gonna show you a trick how to do it very easily. So let's get right into it. Just don't forget to like this video if it was helpful for you, okay? Okay, so the first step we're gonna add a black and white adjustment layer. So just if you go here on the adjustment layer is here, you have a black and white adjustment layer. Now depends by the image, you need to play with the sliders. So this image has a lot of reds, so the red is the most dominant color here in this image. So we're gonna play with the red slider a little bit just to get a little bit more crunch and more black and white variations. And also with the yellow, we don't have so much greens in this image and blues, so that doesn't really matter. But this looks good. So this is the first step. Now that we have the black and white layer on top, let's add another adjustment layer, and the trick is to add the gradient map adjustment layer. Basically, after adding it, you can add a few colors and it's gonna add it on top as colors. So let's see how it works. Let's try to put here, let's try like a brown material, something like this. And with this slider here, we can define how much crunch, how much you want to see the veins in the wood. So you can play around with this, and you can also add more colors. So let's say if you want not just to have one color, you want to have a little bit more variation, or you want the wood to have a little bit more touch into that. So you can add another color as well. Just try to drag it like this. Okay, so this will be the first color. I think it's good, I like it. So this will be the first color. So I'm just gonna flatten the image, Control Alt Shift E, make a new layer with this image. So now I have this texture as well. Let's do another one. I'm just gonna shut down the gradient map, and I'm gonna add another gradient map. This time let's do it a little bit lighter. So here I'm just gonna take from the brown family, yellow brown, I'm just gonna take a little bit gray light, something like that. And if I want, I can add a little bit another color, but for this one we're not gonna add another color. We're just gonna play around with this. This also looks pretty good, I like it. So this will be the gray option for this tutorial. So I'm just gonna flatten make another layer for that, and let's shut this down, and let's add another gradient map. This time let's do it a little bit more like a reddish wood. So for that we're gonna pick something a little bit more red, something like that, maybe even a little bit more red, and press OK. Let's maybe add another color, maybe a little bit more less red. Let's press OK. Let's just put them a little bit more closer, and let's bring this. So this looks a little bit similar to what we did already. So I'm just gonna take out this color and just take it a little bit more like this. So this will be the third color for this tutorial. So basically we have now 3 new materials that we create from the same texture. You can do it with any material you have, and it gives you more variations, or if your client want a specific color, this is a good way to go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If this video was helpful for you, just put a like, and if you want a specific video, just let me know and I'm gonna do my best to do it for you. So keep it real and have a good one.